Hello friends, hope that everything fine with all of you. Today I am going to discuss about the withheld of passport on adverse report given by the police to the passport authority. If such an event occurred while you are applying for the passport or for the renewal of the passport, on inspection if the police submitted the adverse report while the criminal case is pending in your name before the criminal court, then you should not worry for this. What you should do in terms of the notification in the year 1993, the notification dated 25th August 1993 issued by the Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India, dealing with the aspect in traveling abroad by the citizen, the content of which says the notification of the Government of India in the Ministry of External Affairs, the central government being of the opinion that it is necessary in public interest to do so, hereby exempting citizen of India against whom proceeding in respect of an offence alleged to have been committed by them are pending before a criminal court in India and who produce orders from the court concerned permitting them to depart from India. From the operation of the provision of clause F of subsection 2 of section 6 of the Passport Act, subject to the following conditions. The passport to be issued to every such Indian shall be issued for the period specified in order of the court referred to the above. If the court specifies a period for which the passport has to be issued, if no period either for the issue of the passport or for the travel abroad is specified in such order, the passport shall be issued for a period of 1 year. If such order gives permission to travel abroad for a period less than 1 year but does not specify the period validity of the passport shall be issued for 1 year. If such order gives permission to travel abroad for a period exceeding 1 year and does not specify the validity of the passport, then the passport shall be issued for the period of travel abroad is specified in the order. Now, these are the certain terms and conditions which concisely depends on the court's order, and in terms of the Article 21, which prevails the person's life and liberty, and certainly to travel abroad. Such conscience is the dealing in the recent judgment in WP number 2422 of 2024, cited as Sanith Reddy Mahadhadhi versus the Union of India and another, by the Honorable High Court of Telangana at Hyderabad, decided on 26 February 2024. Subsequently, such ratio and conscience has been dealt with In the judgment dated 28th March 2024, in WP number 1190 of 2024, cited as Karthik P. Chidambaram versus the Regional Passport Officer, Chennai, by the Madras High Court. So, the conscience about the adverse report, which cited the pendency of the criminal cases against the citizen, is nothing to do having any worriedness, rather to proceed in the terms and guidelines cited on the 5th August 1993 by the Ministry of External Affairs of Government of India regarding the issuance of the passport to every citizen. So therefore it is clearly understood that even if a criminal case is pending against a citizen, it would not debar to travel abroad. Rather, it's required some procedural aspect to have an order or being permission from the learned trial court where the case is pending in the name of the said citizens. So certainly the person should follow the procedure and to take the permission from the trial court in respect of traveling abroad, and such aspect is prevailed, protective, and it would grant in terms of the ratio and the conscience of the law dealt by the Telangana High Court in the month of February 2024, as well as by the Madras High Court by its judgment dated March 2024, and in other several judgments derived from the Honorable Apex Court also confirms the right of the citizen of this country to travel abroad. Merely pendency of the criminal case would not debar such right of the citizens. Hope that this information would help all of you, more particularly the person who have such issues at present or maybe in future. With this, goodbye, take care.